Good morning everyone, my name is Júlia Pérez and I would like to introduce you my research project, which is called La Perle Blanche, Creation of a Fashion Magazine. The idea of choosing this topic came from the interest I had in discovering the process of creating a magazine, in addition to entering the world of editorial design. As a result, I managed to carry out a research work where a fashion magazine was created, applying the concepts I had previously worked on the theoretical part of the project. So in this first part, I searched information about the basic concepts of editorial design, in addition to its main features, the magazines, where the types and the elements that make them up are explained, and finally, an explanation about the magazines in the fashion industry, highlighting the origin and the best known ones. So this theoretical part allowed the development of the practical part, where a magazine was created, started from its visual identity until the realization of the design of all its pages. With this project, I had been able to see the effort and dedication behind fashion magazines, which we just see exhibited in shops, and we are not aware of the great deal of work involved in its creations, beyond what we perceive as readers. So I would like to introduce you the result of this research project, which is my own fashion magazine. So with this magazine I have created, I have had the opportunity to share my personal tastes, hobbies, and beyond everything aspects about the people who surround me. Through these pages, I have opened the window to my own world, letting those who read it get to know me a little more. This magazine has become a way to express myself and let the readers who have read it have enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you very much.